Here's how to fix something went wrong error signing into Microsoft account. This problem can occur when logging into the Microsoft Store, the Xbox app, or Microsoft applications such as Word and Excel. There are two solutions you can try. First, we'll check the Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant service. Open the Start menu, search for Services, and launch the Services application. Scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant. Double-click the service to open its properties. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Then check the service status. If the service isn't running, click Start to launch it. Once it's running, click Apply. Then select OK. Now right-click Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant and choose Restart. After restarting the service, try signing into your Microsoft account again. If you're still receiving the same error, especially when using Microsoft Word or Excel, there's another solution you can try. Open the Microsoft application where you're experiencing the sign-in problem. Look at the top right corner for your profile icon or any warning indicator. Click your profile icon, then select Office User Info. Here, check which Microsoft account is currently being used and compare it with the account associated with your Microsoft subscription. If the application is signed into a different email address than the one that owns your subscription, you'll need to sign out of the incorrect account. Select Sign Out and confirm the sign out. Repeat this for any other Microsoft accounts that aren't associated with the subscription you're trying to use. Once you've removed the incorrect accounts, make sure you're signed in with the correct primary account. After that, return to your document and create a new blank document. If the correct account is now being used, the warning should disappear and the sign-in error should no longer appear. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.